Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change the keyboard backspace speed to slow, normal, or fast on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. Next, you want to go down and tap on general management. And then tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Next, swipe down and tap on swipe, touch, and feedback. Then tap on backspace speed. In here you can choose slow, normal, or fast. So let's say if I choose slow, we can test it out. So if I want to have a backspace in here, so I touch and hold to the backspace key. And this is slow. You can see it's go back quite slow. So if I paste that same text again, and if I go in here and change the backspace to fast, and you can see this is what it looks like when it is set to fast. You can see it is quite a lot faster than before. However, sometimes when it's going too fast, you might accidentally delete the text that you want to actually keep. So perhaps maybe you want to set it at the right speed for you. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.